The University of Ghana Business School and its partners, including the Improving Financial Awareness and Financial Movement in Ghana, have launched the commemoration of April as Financial Literacy Month. This is to raise awareness about the importance of financial literacy education and empower individuals to make informed and effective financial decisions. There's more in the following report. At the launch to dedicate the month of April as Financial Literacy and Awareness Creation, Head of Financial Stability at the Bank of Ghana, Dr. Joseph Franz, said the high rate of financial illiteracy in Ghana largely contributes to the increased number of financial fraud cases in the country.
The general literacy rate of the country, as per a UNESCO report on literacy of adult population in emerging countries, which showed an increase from 71.5% in 2010 to 79.04% in 2018, has unfortunately not translated into the improvement of the financial literacy rate in Ghana. We have been told by Prof it's 38%, isn't it? So we're talking of literacy of almost 80%, and financial literacy is 38%, vast gap. So we have a job to do. The effects have been the increased number of victims of financial fraud, loss of funds and property, and increased number of complaints from the general public.
Engaging Joy Business on the sidelines of the launch, Dean of the University of Ghana Business School, Professor Justice BAWOLE, indicated that the lack of financial literacy contributes to the high percentage of non-performing loans. However, Professor BAWOLE believes intensifying education on financial awareness is the way to go.
So if we are going for a loan to do business and you are being offered 30% or more as the interest rate, what it means that you are going to fail. But of course, the financial institution that is giving you the money is looking to collect their interest and move on. So that leads to a lot more non-performing loans that we are unable to recover. And gradually, that has meant that several of them who default to pay will now compound the problem for us, because the bank will now assess risk at higher levels and therefore increase. And so in the end, the entire financial sector gets toxified, and so everybody benefits or suffers from the toxicity, because some people have made decisions that have not been wholesome. And so we think that going out there and telling people, and we declared the month of April at Financial Literacy Month, we think that it will help us to reach out to people on how to manage their personal finances.
Chief Executive of the Ghana Association of Bankers, AWUAH, said that banks must work together and collaborate on different levels to ensure financial inclusion.
If we work together, cooperate and coordinate our efforts, that is when we are better able to bring along our actors, other market participants in this financial inclusion agenda, and particularly improving financial awareness and literacy is of prime importance to banks. If we deal with customers who have knowledge about the products we sell, then we know exactly that the uptake of our products will not come back to hurt us in terms of other non-performing loans or other problems that may happen at the end of the day, because the users of our product will have better appreciation of the product characteristics and features, and therefore they'll be better informed to make their own choices.
A series of events have been lined up by the University of Ghana Business School with participation of industry players to observe the Financial Literacy and Awareness Month. Nicholas Brown's report for Joy Business.